Welcome. In this video I will show you how to copy and paste on your LENOVO Yoga Slim 7. So let's find any folder in our file explorer. Okay, so we have the pictures folder and here we have one screenshot. Now in order to copy it, we either have to click the copy icon on the toolbar. If you want to cut it out from this directory, you can click the cut icon, and once you do one of these two, the paste icon will become available and you'll be able to use it to paste the file into any directory, even the same one. Then the file that you pasted will be indicated as the copy. However, if you cut the file out and paste it, then it will basically be removed and pasted into the same directory and the copy will not be created. Now the other way to copy and paste files and anything else is by right-clicking the file and selecting either copy, cut, or right-click and selecting paste if you want to paste something. You can also use shortcuts. So on your keyboard, if you want to copy something, select it and press Ctrl+C. If you want to paste it, Ctrl+V. If you want to cut it out, Ctrl+X. And one important shortcut is the Clipboard shortcut. If you press Windows+V, you'll be able to activate the Clipboard by clicking Turn On right here. And on the Clipboard, you will find your previously made clips or copies of text and file that you previously copied. So you can select what exactly you want to paste into this directory. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.